Hello you guys, welcome to another video. And this time we are traveling in Guizhou. Welcome to Guizhou. My first time here and we will all enjoy it. Yeah.
So the day started as follows. We hopped on a bus and then we traveled and also, of course, took a look at the beautiful scenery in the city of Guiyang. So guys, we make a little stop here to go to the WC and this is the view. Guizhou, the Switzerland of China, landlocked with beautiful mountains, lovely lakes, a nice climate, good food, and friendly people speaking different languages in different regions. Sounds a bit like Switzerland, no? No, this is Guizhou province.
Guys, we are arriving here to the restaurant where we will have lunch, and the decoration is just wow, fantastic. It really looks somehow a hotel in Las Vegas, those kind of really fancy ceilings. This is how it looks like. It's just a restaurant supposedly, and then we will go and check out in another hotel.
I was so really very surprised of the breathtaking scenery of this place. We were literally in the middle of nowhere, just surrounded by mountains, and then all of a sudden they brought us to this place, which is, for my surprise, a super fancy 5-star kind of hotel and restaurant at the same time. And there were even some kind of saloons to make parties. And look at this ceiling, like the light falling down. It really seems like something I have never ever seen in my life. And the whole universe up there in the ceiling. Okay, all of us were just admiring the whole place. What impressed me the most is how well they combine the architecture itself, like the innovative and very creative kind of design of the indoors, with the beautiful, breathtaking scenery of the outdoors. As you can see and feel, we do not need to step outside to as well admire how beautiful the surroundings are. Look at those mountains out there. I love the crystal walls here because they give the place a kind of, you know, more spacious look. And here we have some tea tables where we can sit and enjoy a very, you know, stunning, I guess, sunset or perhaps sunrise, you name it. This was my favorite part from Guizhou. Like, this is not the only place that is like designed in this way, but there are so many others. And I guess that's the peculiar aspect of this province. Like, they will really take advantage of the blessing scenery that surrounds this place, or whatever place that we are in. Okay, so basically this is the lobby, and as you can see we have here a sitar or guzheng, which is like the traditional Chinese instrument to make that music, that beautiful music.
Okay guys, so right now we're gonna go and take the bus because they will take us to our new hotel for tonight. So hopefully I'll be showing you more after.
Before coming here, I was not aware that this province also will have this kind of geography. In my previous travels, I've been to Guilin in the Guangzhou province, and it's very particular from that specific place to see these kind of mountains. So now we have arrived to Pintan International Experience Planetary. So this one over here is a clock from the past, and basically how they explain us it worked, it was like these little small squares over here will count as 15 minutes or a quarter of an hour, and that's how time went by. I'm guessing perhaps also the shadow has something to do with it. What do you think? And as I walk by, I realize there is so much universe and so little time. We live in a blue planet that circles around a ball of fire next to a moon that moves the sea. And you don't believe in miracles? Exploration really is the essence of the human spirit, and to pause, to falter, to turn our back on the quest for knowledge is to perish. So here I'm gonna tell you a personal story, and it's that when I was little and I started watching all those kind of Armageddon movies, I dreamed of becoming an astronaut so badly. Here we have the representation of a black hole, and it just made me think how bad energy or negative thought can sometimes really get to draw you all in. So finally we are here in the reception, where we are about to take the bus that will take us to the world's largest radio telescope. But oh surprise, we cannot take phones or cameras, so I'm just gonna pause the video here. After that, we arrive to our hotel for the night. This is the FAST Hotel, F-A-S-T, all in big cap letters, and we were all really amazed at how elegant this place was. As you can see, we are right now in the lobby reception. They have beautiful decorations. This is somehow a Buddhist style of traditional Chinese art here, where there's a big tea table, a lot of little cups, and some teas over there. I'm just gonna take you around the whole lobby so you can feel the experience of being in this place. And then we have here a painting. No, that was perhaps some kind of calligraphy draft. Okay, the most beautiful thing again is that they have these crystal walls over there. And inside the lobby itself, there is this big fountain over here. And once again, I love that they have these big glass walls everywhere, and we can really take advantage of the scenery that surrounds the area. Like the geography in Guizhou is just stunning. So it's very magical how they combine the style and design, the creation of these kind of places, so we can feel the experience in another whole new different kind of level. Okay, so now let's go and take a look at the backyard. Also, basically it's just the back side of the hotel. Is in the lobby area. We have this beautiful garden over here with those mountains. But once again, we are here in autumn season, so it was very cloudy that day. It was kind of rainy, and I'm sure like if you perhaps get to go in the summer when it's sunny and maybe it will be more beautiful. So this was my first time visiting this hotel, and of course I don't even want to think that it will be the last one. Hopefully I can visit it once again in another season, maybe in the summer, so I can get to go and enjoy the pool, because you know there's a pool being on construction, and hopefully if you visit it you can get to enjoy it. Another thing that I was really surprised by is that in each and every room of this hotel they will provide a telescope for the guest to, you know, enjoy the night and take a look at the starry sky or the moon. That was very unique. I've never been in such a hotel. So as you can see, it's just marvelous.
Time to see our room. It's like a seriously super tall ceiling, and look at the beds here. Everything is so silent. I love it here. Our view is just wonderful. And the silence here is like my favorite part ever. Of course, hard to find in Chinese hotels. And let's take a look at the toilet. So how does the toilet look like? There is a wardrobe here where they have like the towel, bed, robes, as well as the hand washer. By the way, this is super tall. Like, wow. And here's the bed. Wow. How elegant is this? And the toilet is over here.
The height of the doors and the ceilings inside of the room were super impressive. This is how the hotel looks from the inside, and to be honest, I felt I was inside the Beauty and the Beast Disney fairy tale because, you know, the castle.
Okay guys, so we are exploring the hotel. It's just really, really beautiful over here. And you see all these books. This is a lobby from the other side. And they have all kind of amazing decorations and fountains. There is a resting area here where you can sit in the sofas. Oh my gosh, this place is just a dream. A dream that I've never ever even thought about. So yeah, we are here, somewhere in China. Somewhere in China.
Here are some of the guys that were traveling with us in the same group, and they decided to go and try some traditional Chinese dynasty costumes because, to our surprise, this hotel also provides guests with different kind of Chinese dynasty costumes in order for you to try them on and, you know, take beautiful pictures in these beautiful surroundings. And that was really unique and special.
Okay guys, it's time to sleep and you have to check this out. These curtains are like automatic somehow, and at first I was kind of scared, like I was like, what is happening here? This is seriously so fun. It's the first time I've ever been in a hotel like this.
Thanks a lot for watching. I hope that you have really enjoyed my experience here. Let me know in the comment section what was the part that you liked the most. Don't forget to like and subscribe as well, to leave me your lovely comments below, because I'm gonna be very excited to give you a heart and a reply very soon. I'll see you on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you wish, become Patreon.